Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Colorful Threads English. Today I'm going to show you a very beautiful and very lovely baby cap. Actually friends, some days ago I have uploaded a video of a beautiful high-low pattern frock. The frock is very beautiful and very lovely, and I have already uploaded this frock. If you want to watch the video of this frock, then you can go through a link. Link is in description box. And today I am going to show you this cap. I have made this cap as a set of this frock. Cap is for 6 months to 1 year baby, and today I will show you how you can make this cap. So before starting the video, I have a request friend. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification of my new videos. If you like this cap, then please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and share this video with your lovely friends and relatives. So let's start the video. Okay, here I will use 3 ply wool and 3.0 mm crochet hook, 50 gram orange color wool and 10 to 15 gram white color wool. First of all, make a magic loop. Look at the video and do as same as I am doing. Make a cross, insert the hook and make a magic loop. Insert the hook, and this is the way to make a magic loop. Now make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook in loop and make 24 more double crochet. At the end of the work, you will have 25 double crochet in loop. 2, 3. Repeat the same process and make total 25 double crochet. At the end of the round, pull the thread, pull it tightly and give it a cap look. Pull it very tightly friends, and now add your work with first double crochet. Remember, don't add your work with 3 chains, add it with first double crochet. So for round 2, make 3 chains and 1 double crochet in next one. 1 double crochet in next double crochet. Now make 2 double crochet at the same place, 2 double crochet at same place. Again 1 double crochet, 1 more double crochet in next one, and now 2 double crochet at same place. So in this way you have to make 1 double crochet 2 times, and in third one make 2 double crochet at the same place. Again 1 more in next one, and now 2 double crochet in next one. 2 double crochet in at the same place. So repeat the same process. Make 2, then 1 double crochet 2 times, again 2 double crochet at the same place, and 2 1 double crochet, and again 2. At the end of the work, again add your work with first double crochet. Now for round number 3, make 3 chains and 1 double crochet in next one, 1 more double crochet in next double crochet. In this way make 1 double crochet 3 times and then increase 1 double crochet. Now here make 2 double crochet at the same place and increase 1 double crochet. Here I am increasing 1 double crochet in the fourth one. Make 3 double crochet, single, 1, then 1 and again 1. After that increase 1 double crochet and make 2 in at the same place, again make 1 double crochet, 1 in next one, and again 1 more double crochet in next one. So in this way I have made 3 double crochet in next 3 double crochet. And now I will increase to 1 double crochet and I will make 2 double crochet at the same place. So repeat the same process and complete your round. At the end of the work, add it with the first double crochet. So look the shape of this cap. For round 4, increase 1 double crochet after 4 single double crochet. So make 1 double crochet 4 times and then increase 1 double crochet and make 2 double crochet at the same place. In this way friends, you have to make 8 rounds. This is the round number 4 and here I am increasing double crochet after 4 single double crochet. In round number 5, increase double crochet after 5 single crochet. And round number 6, increase 1 double crochet after 6 double crochet. In round number 7, increase double crochet after 7 double crochet. And in round number 8, increase 1 double crochet after 8 single double crochet. Okay, repeat the same process and make 8 rounds. And now here I have completed my 8 rounds, 7 and 8, and I will use now a white color wool to add my work. So use different color to add it. At the end of the work, add your both sides with next color. Okay, now round number 9. For round number 9, make 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and now make a puff at the same place. Make a puff at the same place. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Take 4 loops and then over it all. Make 1 chain, skip 1 double crochet and again make a puff in next one. 2, 3 and 4 loops and over it all. Again 1 chain, skip 1 double crochet and make a loop in next one. So repeat the same process and over the round. Make 1 puff, skip 1 double crochet and again make a puff. Give 1 chain space between 2 puffs. Repeat the process and over the round. At the end of the round, again use first color to add your work. Here I will use orange color to add my work. Add your last puff and first puff with the next color. Okay, now I am in round number 10. For round number 10, make 3 chains, 1 double crochet at the chain space. Make 1 double crochet at chain space and 1 at puff. In this way you have to make 1 puff in each, 1 at the chain space and 1 at puff. Again 1 at puff and 1 double crochet at the chain space. Repeat the same process and over the round. Make 1 puff at puff, 1 double crochet at puff and 1 double crochet at the chain space. So repeat the same process and over the round, and similarly make round number 11 with the same process. So make 2 rounds. Here I have completed my 2 rounds, round number 11 and round number 10. Now I am in round number 12. Again use white color to add your work. Use white color and add your work. Again make one more puff round. 3 chains and make a puff at the same place. This round will be as same as round number 9. 3 chains and make a puff at the same place. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Take loops 4 times and over it all. 1 chain, skip 1 double crochet and again make a puff in next one. So this round will be same as round number 9. Again make a puff, make 1 chain. So friends, repeat this process to over the round number 12 and make round number 13, 14 and 15 as same as round number 10 and round number 11. Make 3 more round. Here I have completed round number 12, 13, 14 and 15. Round number 13, 14 and 15 will be same as round number 10 and round number 11. Same double crochet in these rounds. Now make the final round. Look at the video and do as same as I am doing. Insert the hook and make a slip stitch. 3 chains. Insert the hook friends as I am doing. So insert it. Look at the video and insert the hook. 1 double crochet and 1 more double crochet at the same place. Make 2 chain space, 1 and 2 and again make 3 double crochet at the same place. One, two, and 3. All 3 double crochet will be at the same place. So make 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet all at the same place. Okay, now jump to the round number 14. Last second round and again make 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet in a zigzag form. Skip this and make 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet at the next one. So insert the hook in a zigzag form. You have to do in this round all work in a zigzag form. All pattern will be in zigzag form. So insert the hook friends and make 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet. Don't do in this double crochet and insert it. Do as same as I am doing. Again 3 double crochet all at the same place, 2 chains and 3 double crochet. This process will give a frill look to your work. And 3. Now look it. Again jump to the round number 15 and make 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet again as a zigzag form. All work in this round will be in zigzag form. First do this pattern in round number 15, again in round number 14, again in round number 15 and then round number 14. All work will be in zigzag form. And 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet. Again jump to the round number 14 and make 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet. Two, 3. This will be the final frill of your work. Repeat it and over the round. Now look what a beautiful frill it is. Again use white color and make a final round of single crochet. Use white color and make 1 single crochet in each double crochet. 1 and 2 double crochet in chain space. 1 and 2. Again 1, 2 and 3 in double crochet. Again make in double crochet 1, 2 and 3 and make 2 double crochet in chain space. This is the third one, and now this is the final look of the cap. It looks so beautiful and pretty. Here I will use a flower. I will use a rose flower. This rose flower is very easy to make, friends, and if you want to watch the video of this flower, then link is in description box. You can go through it and watch the video. So here I will sew it in my cap. Sew it properly. My cap is ready. I hope you will like the video. If like it, then please give me a thumbs up. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you and have a nice day.